Get unready with me, botched Barbie edition. First, I'm gonna take off these lashes. I literally don't even know where to start. I'm gonna try and start peeling off this liquid latex. Oh my god. What is going on? Ow. Okay guys, I'm gonna be doing a giveaway. Oh my god, why does it kind of look like bacon? Now I'm gonna just try and start wiping things and see what comes off. I just spilled makeup remover all over me. Are you kidding? Love that for me. I look great. I'm gonna go wash the remnants off of my face. Now I'm back to my natural state.
Time to take this look off. I look sexy, I know. Contain yourself, okay? I already know it's gonna stain my face. You can see some purple here, so let's just go with it. First, I'm gonna take the candle wax off. Yes, it's candle wax. Child. Anyway, so... Ugh. Whoop. Oh, this is a big one. Ugh. I wanna like scratch it off or something. I'm gonna do it with this lash case, don't judge me. It's faster, okay? That was so satisfying to do. Ow. The moment of truth. Okay. Oh, Houston, we have several problems. Update, it's not really coming off, so yeah.
Hey, what's up, you little freaks? Guess what time it is? Oh yes, it is time to take this off again. This is Virgo for the zodiac signs gone bad. This one really has to be one of my favorites so far. Look at that. I really don't want to take her off. You know what they say, all good things must come to an end, and she's in my hair. Let's just start from the bottom. No physical pain, just emotional. Oh my god. I broke a flower. Literally. How does that happen? Did she get in my eyebrow? No, she didn't. Please don't rip my hair out. I think we're safe. Damn. I know this glitter will stay with me for months. Face so clean. Have a great day, you guys.
Hello and welcome to peeling my face off. I can't wait to peel it off either, trust me. I'm gonna make a little hole. Oh, this is freaky. Oh, this is pulling out all my hair. I didn't even know that I was this hairy. This is pretty fun though. Oh my god. Oh, I'm just gonna chill in pain for a little bit. Okay, I'm having a little bit of fun with this. Oh! At least I'm getting a free waxing. I'm gonna have to pull. I'm gonna have to pull and like a band-aid. Like a band-aid. Okay. Oh my god, this actually got all my blackheads out. Damn, I highly recommend. Okay, let's tackle the forehead. And let's pray for my brows. Ah! Oh! I'm over this. The last bit. I'm gonna go wash myself now. I am officially done. In absolutely every meaning of that word. My skin is okay now, but I'm afraid that tomorrow is gonna be real bad. I hope you enjoyed the peel off and have an amazing rest of your day.
Hey, what's up, you little freaks? It is time to take this off again. Contacts are off and I can see. Now for the fun stuff. Oop. This took way too long to put on. God, how do I take this off? on. Ugh, I don't think there's a satisfying way for me to take these things off. Like, they're all off. I'm gonna go wash my face now. Damn, who is she? This look is a part of my 7 Deadly Sins series, and this was Pride. I have no idea why everyone keeps commenting the anime. I have never watched the anime. I don't know what it is. The sins are from the Bible. But either way, the full tutorial will be on my YouTube. Have a great day, you guys. Hey, what's up, you little freaks? Guess what time it is? It's time to take this off again. This is a look from my 7 Deadly Sins series. This is Greed, as you can tell. I'm gonna start by taking my contacts off because I can't see. Much better. Time for the good stuff. Oh yeah. That was easy. Nice. And that's all? Just kidding, we got this one too. Oh. Okay, good enough. I've been obsessed with this cleanser, so I'm gonna go wash my face real quick. Eyebrows who? The full tutorial for this look will be in the link in my bio. Have a great day, you guys.
Keep getting asked how to remove your makeup without stripping your skin or causing irritation. So let me show you today using the Inky List. I'm using the Oat Cleansing Balm. First, I always dampen my face with some water, and then I go in with the cleanser. When I have a lot of makeup on, like today, I use a little bit more water on my face, just so the cleanser would slide on my skin better. And I just take my cleanser, rub it through my fingers, and start rubbing it on my face. I do this until I see everything kind of smeared around. That's how I know it's successfully removed. As you can see here, looking like a little raccoon. When we smear everything around, the only thing that's left is washing your face with water. As you can see, we're completely clean. I followed that up with some hyaluronic acid, and after that, a collagen booster. And in the end, some peptide moisturizer. And of course, for my eye area, some retinol eye cream. I use a cold massager to rub it in, and that's it. The Oat Cleansing Balm is my new absolute favorite.
I finally completed the mission of becoming a human disco ball. I cannot wait to take this off because I can't, like, move my face. This is all I can do. But let's try. That's terrifying. I'm getting little fin gills. That's not the word. There's latex on my fingers, and it's really late, and I want to go to sleep. You know, after having this much glitter on myself, I don't think I will ever get rid of it. But I can try. I found an edge. Let's do the face. Okay, that was scary. I feel like a superhero, like this is like my mask. The audio cut out here for whatever reason, but pretend I'm like crying. Painful latexes. The audio is out again. Still crying, yeah. Let's do the next 3, 2, 1. Hope you weren't watching that for the ASMR, because I just screamed. I tried to do like an ASMR version of this on my Instagram, so if you want to check it out, you can. Ow. Hey, what's up, you little freaks? I cannot talk. But it means it's time to take this off again. Oh my god. I made her out of clay. Boop. It feels so weird. I actually finished the whole Zodiac series. So if you guys are asking for your sign, it's already been done. The reason I was saying ow is because that one was in my hair. This one isn't. Nice. I bought moss from Joann's and I thought it was fake, but it was real, so I literally just had real moss on my face. Get out of my hair, please. Thank you. I love ripping my hair off, don't you? My favorite part though is the little claws. All clean now. Hey, what's up, you little freaks? How's it going? It is time to take this off again. Contacts are off and I can see. Time for the good stuff. Okay. Ooh. I wanted to take it off all in one piece, but I don't think that's gonna happen. I mean, kinda. This was my second attempt at doing the Lust look because the first time I did it, I did not like it. I am pretty happy with this one though. I need to go wash my face. I'll be right back. So much better. The full tutorial for that look, as well as the products I used, will be in the link in my profile. And as always, have an amazing day, you guys.
Take off my makeup with me, cutesy little jack-o'-lantern edition. My dad was like, isn't it too early to be doing a jack-o'-lantern? Shouldn't you wait until like mid-October? I said, Dad, spooky season starts September 1st. Using my makeup melt by Like Beauty, you know how it is. I'm melting. Oh. I don't think you guys are ready. Watch this. Look at that. And look, I'll do it again. I don't even need a reason. Look at that. Comes off so clean. I'm gonna go wash my face. Thanks for watching. I literally look like a bug that just got hit with a flash water, but I'm gonna be wiping on my makeup. Well, I'm not actually wiping on makeup. I wiped off my makeup and put it in reverse. But if I could wipe on makeup like this, that'd be a pretty nifty skill. But anyways, I'm throwing this bad boy in reverse because y'all said that girls would give me 100,000 likes if I did it. So here it is, TikTok. Please put me on the For You page. Like, come on. Please. I'm begging you.
I will never understand why you guys blow up the videos of me taking off my makeup in reverse. Like, I don't even know why I bother making videos of me putting on the makeup at this point. Honestly, I should just put it on, leave it there for 2 seconds, and then wipe it off and throw it in reverse. Because that's what TikTok wants. They will put me on the For You if I keep doing this right here. So, come on guys, give it a like.
Hey, what's up, you little freaks? Guess what time it is? Oh yes, it is time to take this off again. It's really all about the eye on my hand. With my left hand was way more difficult than I expected. Wow. Now this one. Putting on contacts without moving my hands was probably one of the most difficult things I've done so far. Oh yeah, I forgot to tell you, this is Libra. I think I messed up my wig trying to make a bun. Oh well, I'll just brush it out later. Gemstone eyebrows. Ooh. Nice. They never come off in one piece like that, see? Well, good to know my eyebrows are still there. I literally couldn't even see these ones. Good thing I took my contacts off. Should have done it earlier though. I'm not even gonna try to wash this off. I'm just gonna go and shower. My eyes are slightly stained, but other than that, I am clean.
Here I am thinking my whole life I gotta be clever to get on the For You page, when in reality, all I had to do was take one of my videos and throw it in reverse. Why are my moves so much cooler in reverse? Why did nobody tell me this? I feel like the Wave Gang's... Here I am thinking my whole life I gotta be clever to get on the For You page, when in reality, all I had to do was take one of my videos and throw it in reverse. Why are my moves so much cooler in reverse? Why did nobody tell me this? I feel like the Wave Gang's been lying to me for ages.
Take off my makeup with me. So I told you guys last time I did this, I had to go to the shelter like 10 minutes after, and I was considering getting a cat. Well, here she is. I got one. Oh my goodness. I need name suggestions. And if you didn't already watch the video that this was from, you need to. I spit water at my phone as the transition and made a huge mess. But the result, chef's kiss. Ow. I used liquid latex for this moss. And you guys are gonna kill me because I always do makeup when I'm supposed to go somewhere, but I was supposed to leave for a hike with my friends 10 minutes ago. The cats made a hole in my backdrop and now they're playing through it. And it's one of the most popular hiking trails in LA, so I feel like it would be funny if I showed up like this. You know, pop out, scare some girlies into running a little quicker on their hike. Could be good for them. I'm meeting up with Carter and Scott to hike. The holographic gloss on the lips, I feel like really brought it together. Thanks for watching. Get unready with me, glittery, abstract moment edition. Guys, I might actually cry because this took me so long and I've had it on for 5 minutes. First, I gotta take off these lashes. I physically can't make myself put this on my face. Oh God. Oh god. I just pulled my hair back and I look like a founding father. Get rid of the lips. I wonder if my eyebrows are ever gonna come back. I'm gonna go wash my face. It pretty much all came off. My lips are kind of stained black, but... Take off my makeup with me, Rocky Person edition. Get rid of this wig. Now for the contact. I have one eyelash on. Now I'm using some makeup milk. Let's see if that'll accomplish anything. Oh my gosh. Gotta get that neck. This is never coming off. This is not going well. I'm trying so hard. Ah! Totally forgot that my ears had paint on them. I'm gonna go shower. Thanks for watching. Take off my makeup with me, double edition. Take off these horns, gloves. This is gonna be fun. Here we go. Get these gems. Ow. Take off the choker. It's giving very much Red Dude from Inside Out. I really like these lashes. Ow. Now we're going in with some cleansing balm. This is definitely gonna stain my face. There's a lot going on here. Now we wipe. My forehead looks like a coaster. Get the contacts out. And I think that's the best I can do, so I'm gonna go shower. I look like Patricia McDonald. Take off my makeup with me. I have an appointment at the animal shelter and I have to be there in literally 5. If I go like this, do you think they would let me take home a cat? They probably would think that I was gonna force the cat to have an excruciating life in the circus and train him to jump through hoops and stuff with little to no compensation. Or they would just call the cops and then put up a most wanted sign in front of the shelter. Regardless, I'm not really trying to find out. So today I decided to cosplay as your ex and no, that was not your sign to text him. Aren't these contacts sick? They're like clocks. Really small clocks. Speaking of clocks, do you know what time it is? It's time for you to stop scrolling on TikTok and get out of bed and maybe, I don't know, clean your room, do the dishes, do that homework you've been putting off. I'm just trying to keep you thriving, queen. So you won't end up like this. Bye, I'm going to the shelter. Comment if you think I should get a cat.